Hello everyone, this is Güray Kartal from Ermaksan sales team and welcome to another ErLIVE webinar that we are launching the new generation press brake model Green Press FX Servo, which has been developed by Ermaksan R&D engineering team along with half a century's field experience. As you will remember, my colleague Hakan had touched on his very recent heavy-duty presentation that demand on electrical and hybrid machines is growing day by day. And today, I'll try to introduce and share some info about our most sophisticated press brake, which is Green Press FX Servo. As a desire on such environment-friendly machines has increased recently, we as Ermaksan are also looking for options to protect our world in a better way while offering the best alternatives for our industry partners. Let's first watch a quick corporation video to see how Ermaksan has jumped in this industrial phase and became one of the global sheet metal manufacturing leaders in such a period, which actually is 55 years. Since 1965, I can say. I'll catch up with you here again after the video.
What makes technology to develop is the fantasies to meet the requirements of humanity. Being an architect of future is related with the significance you put and investment you make on the creativity. Adopting the principle of being innovative in developing technology with creative thinking, Ermaksan has a history of more than half a century and has been producing machines that bring life and technology together and that create value in the light of scientific data. Founded in 1965 in a small workshop with this notion and having a history full of success for half a century, Ermaksan is moving towards the future confidently. With its innovative perspective of the 21st century, its investments in the fields of technology and R&D, Ermaksan has succeeded to become one of the world leaders in its field today. As a leading industrial corporation, steering the sheet metal machining machinery industry with its strong R&D, producing high-quality and high-technology machines with its qualified team of 1,000 people in its modern production facilities with an area of 100,000 square meters. Ermaksan continues its R&D studies for future, such as fiber laser technologies, new machine models, Industry 4.0 applications, and 3D printer machines in its R&D center with an area of 10,000 square meters. The principle of innovative technology adopted by Ermaksan become the corporate culture of the company as the time passed by, implementing many major R&D projects every year in order to improve the capabilities of the machines it manufactures, to meet the market demands and to improve customer satisfaction. Ermaksan creates technologies based on science with its research team of more than 100 engineers who are experts of their fields. Ermaksan R&D Center, located in Turkey and certified by the Ministry of Science, Industry and Technology, implements many innovations on machinery industry by organizing a separate teamwork for each project with advisors from reputable universities. Manufacturing many products such as laser cutting machines, laser resonators, belted servo bending presses, 3D metal additive manufacturing machines that make an impressive throughout the world, Ermaksan continues its R&D activities in a patent-oriented manner, continuing its investments on technology. Ermaksan has produced Turkey's first laser chip and laser resonator in its R&D center, established with an investment of 40 million euros. This achievement made Turkey one of the few countries in the world capable of such production. Its competitive identity in the global market, its expertise in laser cutting machines, and its flexible solutions offered for different requirements have made Ermaksan the leader of its industry. Attending more than 50 global exhibitions, particularly FabTech, USA, ErLIVE, Germany, and MWCS, China, Ermaksan has brought its marketing, sales, and after-sales services to a global level, building these on the principle of unconditional customer satisfaction with its wide network structure abroad. Ermaksan's motivation is to achieve its future goals by making effective studies in areas such as protection and sustainability of the resources while developing the green technology of the future. We develop our technology based on science. Here, we are in Ermaksan. The future is built here.
Hope you liked our general presentation. Alright, if we get back to the track, this particular machine has been built for one of our North American end users, and of course, we have many of those working actively throughout the world with their happy Ermaksan customers. But what is the reason to go with those machines? Let's start with its technique first. Ermaksan press brake machine uses servo-electric motor technology on the contrary to hydraulic press brakes. Works silently with below 70 decibels, which is almost no noise pollution compared to regular press brakes. This full electric design makes the bends with two synchronized servo motors moving top beam down with help of belt and pulleys. And then ram returns to starting position with help of springs. There is no need for crowning, as the belt system compensates and distributes the top beam almost equally on the sheet. As it does not have a throat tab like on regular press brakes, you can make a full length bending between the columns on this sophisticated green technology servo press brake. Let's see this exceptional machine more closely in the video, and I'll see you here after a couple of minutes.
Ermaksan launched the new generation press brake model, Green Press FX Servo, to her global customer portfolio. Green Press FX Servo, developed by solely Ermaksan's engineering and R&D experience, uses servo electric motor technology and makes a big difference in the sector by its environment-friendly structure without any contaminant. There is high energy efficiency and no any oil usage at Ermaksan's green technology, Green Press FX Servo model. This machine makes the pressing by synchronized two servo motors moving top beam via belts and pulleys. There is no throat depth at this machine compared to ordinary press brakes. Thus, full-length bending operations can be done between the columns. Safety is at max level at this machine. Front light bodyguard, Liu's MLC 100 is appropriate to CE regulations. Furthermore, front top, lateral, and rear sides of the machine are surrounded with closed guards. Keeping developing innovative technologies up, Ermaksan will continue to fulfill her all responsibilities about environmental awareness, which is growing rapidly around the world.
As you have witnessed in the video, this machine uses the power only while bending. Herewith, it has high energy efficiency with about 70% saving compared to ordinary hydraulic brakes. To be exact, it's actually 69% that has been measured on the machine before. And on standby mode, 98% less energy consumption. Motors work only while rim is moving down. Low maintenance costs and no industrial oil waste, as there is no hydraulic system, industrial oil, or cylinder used in this mechanical machine. And more precise bending, besides ROI, which is actually return of investment, are also other reasons to go with this press brake. Dell M66 Touch 2D with colored graphical is the standard controller on this supernatural press. And ER99 along with Sibelec Modeva 19 can easily be configured on this machine as well. Let's now listen to our service manager Ufuk, as he also has something to say about the controllers on this sophisticated brake, which are totally compatible with the machine.
Welcome to our After Sales Technical Service Support Office. Today I will give you information about the controller variations which can be selected with the Ermaksan FX Green Press Brake machine. Purchase it. First of all, I want to claim that Service Works is absolutely teamwork. We work quite hard as a team to answer any question of our customer as soon as whatever they are regarding time zone. Our only rules is the customer's fixation always at the top. We know that everything starts with trust. You can reach us for all your questions and sending an email, please, service@ermaksan.com.tr. Function of the controllers are similar much and less to each other for different brands. Most controllers offer an even higher grade of efficiency in programming, operation and control of today's press brake. Ease of component improved productivity. As a result of today's technology, most controller has touch screen which gives access to proven ER90, Dell, Sibelec, all other popular model and brands user interface and enables directly navigation between the programming and production. Functions are directly located where you need them, offering optimization and ergonomics. Touchout is the application the most controller offers 2D programming that include the automatic band sequencer calculation and collision detection. Full 3D has a machine setup with the multiple tool station giving true feedback and the product feasibility and handling. Optimize the machine cycle and minimize setup time. This makes operation of press brake easier. As Ermaksan, we are offering the global market with the high-tech controller system such as press brake, guillotine shear, laser controller meeting demands of the sheet metal processing machinery industry. Our product quality is proven as a result of many years of partnered with an industry-leading company. AirTouch always provides the better service you with in safety. Now, let's to other controls that you many using on this machine. The tools, programming, automatic mode, and tools option. See. Let's start with ER99 Linux operation system by step automation. ER99 controller is as make it from step automation. Basically is the Linux operation system work with this controller. The controllers has a 2D, 3D, and the XF is standard. And the schedule maintenance management is also standard too. Advanced programming assistance by attachment and video. Like programs, if you want the attachment, video, or pictures, it's possible. And simplings of the material and accurate production. Explain it of the complete flat DXF files, tools and part import from the CAD. Step-band offline softwares come with the controller. 3D simulation is working by auto mode. Automatic tool selection and the tool library is at work with the inside the systems. The system is find the good observation from the tooling on your product. Now, what I want to talk about the Dell M66 Touch. All customers chose this controller on the machine we present to you. Dell M66 Touch 2D graphical touchscreen programming mode. And also 3D visualization and 3D band sequencer and collision control is working to the system too. When you push to the auto, then Dell will show us the 3D visualization. 17-inch is full resolution color TFT screen. And Windows CE operating system is work with the behind of the Dell. And also Dell has a USB port and make it a backup and restore the systems. And open the system is archived, you will create any access on easily. Also, can you see which is the finger position is where? And you can make it from the too many program capacity and tool capacity also. And Dell has a auto tool selection system is find to the good optimization from the tools. Right now is also Dell is give to you is Profile T Lite offline software come with the controller. And the last one is which is the VisiTouch controller by Sibelec. But I can explain to you the SafeTouch 12 for you is similar programming working the interface. User-friendly, HMI, similar on the other SafeTouch series. Is the VisiTouch controllers and other Sibelec is used to be easy interface is like a SafeTouch 12. Is the automatic band sequences calculation work with the VisiTouch and running the under Windows 7 for multitasking and networking system. Integral backup and restore function is work with the VisiTouch controller. Outstanding the higher diagnostic tools is work with the also VisiTouch controller too. But this is the Sibelec Touch 12 controller. Is the exactly very similar software we work with the VisiTouch. I can explain to you is generally how to works the controller. Thank you for all for joining us today. Hope to see you soon as a professional partner with our technological mission.
Thank you, Ufuk, for this informative explanation. We just canceled the safety for the video for the moment. This electrical press brake with 300mm stroke and 600mm daylight almost has 4-axis back cage as a standard, and this can be changed and configured from 1 to 6 axis as an option depending on the customer demand. Standard machine is 3 meter by 100 tons and also available at 1.6, 2 and 2.5 meter length along with 40, 65 and 80 ton options. Let's see the safety on the other side of the machine. Safety is as max level on this press brake, and Leus MLC 100 or ACAS front guard is also appropriate to see regulations on this machine. Besides this, front top and rear sides of the machine are also surrounded with close guards, and we use market's best supplements in our machine, and that one has Heidenhaus linear scales here, as you can see, and Siemens electrical components, which is on the other side of the machine. Some other features as a glance, very quickly. Handy foot pedal, sliding front support arms, and quick release clamping system, which is fast and easy tool replacement. And LED light enclosures here, And of course, as an option, we have visual let operation banding guard system, which helps the operator especially to see the locations of finger positions, also available on this machine. And in addition to previously stated characteristics, this machine also is compatible with fourth industrial revolution. I mean, Industry 4.0 is also available on that unique machine, like on Ermaksan fiber lasers. Let's get a bit deeper on that subject to see some other tips how customers can benefit from Industry 4.0 also with our brakes. Software solutions for smart factories. With its innovative approach and experience of more than half a century, Ermaksan facilitates the industrial life with its engineering works towards Industry 4.0, as well as its software works to develop and perfect the smart production processes. The ER 4.0 software, which processes and reports to that data transferred via the entire machine communication network, has been designed to ensure continuity and productivity in production. Thanks to ER 4.0 software developed by Ermaksan engineers, under the scope of Industry 4.0, all the components on the machine are collected on a common network and the data can be easily accessed. Thanks to this software, we increase the performance and the productivity of our machines all over the world by reaching a wide range of data from the location of the machine to its working conditions, productivity, error, warning, and fault conditions, and contribute to our customers' production targets. Transform your machines into connected and smart system for the Industry 4.0. Read the telemetry data of your machines in a standard and effective way. Connect to your machines remotely, provide fast and effective support services. Collect centrally, categorize, and report your machine data. Visualize and analyze your data with easy and understandable graphics. Integrate your machines with the MES and ERP systems through the secure API connections. Link the machine data with physical events such as maintenance, repair, and replacement. Record what is done in which situation. Warn your teams with alarms and messages. Share the details for solution. Estimate the failures in advance using the data you have collected. Activate the machine control screen allows the monitor and all machines operating in the field on a single screen for the error, warning, efficiency data. It provides a graphical view of the ratios of performance, quality, usability data on the machines. It allows you to see the instantaneous temperature change of the equipment, such as the motor, driver, etc. in the machine. Monitoring on map. It allows you to control the status of the machine in different locations on a single screen. It allows you to see the instantaneous temperature change of the equipment, such as the motor, driver, etc. in the machine. This is the last one, and during the production, the machine's energy consumption allows the number of parts produced. Hope you all enjoyed our comparatively short presentation. As we make our machines smarter, hence our structure and cities, we promise for safer and sustainable future for following generations. We'll keep developing more environment-friendly and technological machines, as this is one of our top duties in the rapidly growing world. See you soon again. Please remain safe and sound, and stay tuned in these pandemic days. Goodbye.